Best examples are workers who work in that first response environment. And I think just about any worker, regardless of the discipline, can at times find themselves in a situation where they actually are a first responder, even though they don't think of themselves that way. And I've been doing a lot of work recently with utility workers, people who are doing restoration work following storms and things like that. And of course, their organizations have provided them with all sorts of important and useful tools for envisioning the work before they go do it, and in some cases evaluating the work afterwards. But when you're actually talking to those folks in the field, it's very interesting because what they tell you is these tools are fantastic and we do them routinely and use them every day until things become emergent, until we really have to get the work done, like after a storm when everyone's counting on us, and then that stuff kind of goes out the window, which is fascinating because those people need to see themselves, and more are seeing themselves as first responders and taking cues and learning from the people who do that emergency kind of work every day, who are able to take that essential pre-job information and boil it down into a very, very efficient and quick process that gets everyone on the same page. It's been fascinating to watch them sort of appreciate themselves as, wow, we are emergency responders. How does that world deal with these kinds of things?